Hello viewers, this is Ayusha in the studio and you're watching Prague Digital. Today's news headlines are as follows. Regional news. Mizoram witnesses a rise in drug abuse after the alcohol ban. At least 67 people, including 6 females, have died due to drug abuse in 2020 against 55 people in 2019. Both the state government and the NGOs are making massive efforts to curb the drug menace in the state. The drug supply in the state soared up since 2019, perhaps due to the complete ban on alcohol, increasing the demand for drugs. Assam's AJYPC decides to take the anti-CAA movement to the national capital. The Ahom Jatiyabadi Yuva Chhatra Parishad has decided to take the anti-CAA movement to Delhi and mobilize public opinion in support of their demands. The youth body has also spoken of their intentions of reviving the movement on the streets of Assam while they approach different political parties for support at the national level, launching activities at the national capital to attract the centre's attention. Huge amounts of drugs seized in Guwahati. Panbazar police during a raid in Hatigaon's Rehman Nagar on Tuesday seized a huge cake of illegal drugs including 72 heroin containers and over 8,000 tablets. 3 people identified as Kukur Ali, Osman Khan and Ibrahim Khan have been arrested in connection to the case. Northeast to get its 3rd international airport by March 2021. Keen to begin air connectivity with Bangladesh and other neighbouring countries, the Tripura government is all set to upgrade the Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport in Agartala through a Rs 438 crore project to be implemented in March this year, making it the 3rd international airport in the northeastern region. National news. Farmers continue to protest in extreme weather conditions after another round of talks with the government fails. Camping at the borders of the national capital for over a month now, protesting farmers remain undeterred in the face of severe cold, rains and waterlogging, firm on their demands of repealing the farm laws and legal backing of MSPs after the inconclusive talks with the government on Monday evening. Central Vista project approved by the Supreme Court on Tuesday. The Central Vista project aimed to redevelop the Parliament area and other government offices around it was approved by the Supreme Court, upholding several riders including a change in land use and recommendations made by the Environment Ministry. Air and road links cut off with Kashmir Valley. For the second consecutive day, the Kashmir Valley was cut off from the rest of the country due to heavy snowfall across the valley. Nearly 4,500 vehicles are stranded along the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway. Clearance operations run in full swing. International news. Donald Trump vows to hold on to the US presidency. With mounting desperation, former US President Donald Trump has declared he will fight like hell to hold on to the presidency and appeal the Republican lawmakers to reverse the recent election loss to Joe Biden. UN member states welcomed India, Ireland, Kenya, Mexico and Norway to the UN Security Council. Flags of the 5 new UNSC members were installed at the Security Council's takeout on Monday after the Council welcomed and congratulated the new members, saying they looked forward to working with them to help advance peace and security globally during their 2021 and 2022 term in the powerful world body. Years-long feud eased between Saudi Arabia and Qatar. Kuwait state news agency, citing the country's foreign minister on Monday evening, announced that Saudi Arabia has agreed to reopen land, air and sea links with Qatar, de-escalating a feud that has sharply divided the Middle East for more than 3 years, while Qatar in turn has agreed to freeze legal actions against the backloading states at the World Trade Organization and other institutions.